Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm MORPHE, and today's video is going to be how to complete this eyeshadow look here. To complete this eye look, I did use the new Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you like and comment, and I will see you guys below. Bye. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off right into Cocoa Truffle. I'm going to dip that right into my transitioner shade. I'm using a light hand. Next, I'm going to be going right into Holla Dolla, this green shade here. Super cute. I'm just going to pop that right onto the lid with my finger. This actually looks really good with no fizz plus, so I'm excited to see what's about to happen when I put this plus on this side. And I'm going to do a little squirt, get it wet, and lay her right on the lid. It looks pretty much the same. It's really just up to you if you just want to see just a small amount of reflection, which I think is the difference. It's just like a reflection. Back into Cocoa Truffle and blend out just a little of my crease. Gonna be taking this black shade here. This is Descendant. Just gonna put this in the crease, real subtle. Alright, so I'm going to take this shade Chocolate Gold, honey. Ooh, it's cute. I pop that right into my inner corner. Yes. And then I'm gonna take a Descendant and I'm just going to slide that on my bottom lash line just to darken it up. So it just created just a little darker. This look is definitely like some Halloween. Alright guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video, and this is the completed look. If you guys wanted to see a full tutorial on this highlight and contour, you guys know I already provided one, so just go ahead and check the link that's somewhere. I will provide it somewhere on the screen or in the description box or on the watch later list, one of these things. So this will be the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. If you didn't like it, make sure you comment below what happened, sis. Like, where did we disconnect? Where did we go wrong? Let's try to repair this relationship. Don't just leave it hanging. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.